Hello all, welcome to my channel. This is my first YouTube video. It's gonna be a hair review and wig tutorial in one. Today I'm gonna be reviewing the Fushi wig that was trending on TikTok on Amazon. This wig was $56. Now this is my first blonde unit ever, and I'm going like full blonde. We finna do like a full transformation. But yeah, I wanna show y'all the wig. I need to brush it out a little bit, to be honest. This is the box it came in. And yes, like child, they really sent me this wig in this box ripped up like this. You see that? It came already open like this. The only thing that came with the wig was a wig guide, a bag, and the wig. Then it has a little tag. And the density, it's 250% density. It's 22 inches long. And this wig got here quick. Actually, I've been wanting this wig for a cool minute. I'm gonna do the ball cap method. I'm gonna show y'all all of that. I'm not gonna do the plucking on camera. If you want a separate video for plucking, let me know. The inside, it has 4 combs. So it has 2 right here, 1 back there and 1 here. And then it has like a little bit of lace here. And then like I said earlier, 6x13. This is synthetic. So this is the wig. That's way too big for me. It don't match my skin tone at all, but I already know like when I tint the lace and all that, it's gonna look good. I'm a little bit nervous because right now I'm looking like a whole Barbie doll. But I think once I install, style, and do my makeup, we're gonna love it. So stay tuned. Yeah, and I'll see y'all at the tutorial. My stocking cap real quick. Let y'all see my little cornrows or whatever. I know. I use this. This grips my edges the most. This is Gorilla Snot. You can get this at Walmart. So my edges are already brushed back for the most part, but you want them to be really brushed back because you don't want your edges or the little bit that you do have to get snatched out. It's been 5 to 10 minutes, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. My edges are pushed back. This is exactly what we wanted. So now we're gonna go ahead and put the cap on, right? Gonna get your cap. It can be any color cap because you're gonna put makeup on it anyway. So put the wig cap on. You're gonna pull it over your face, and then you wanna get your Got To Be glue spray, right? But you wanna spray your hairline. Spray like a little bit in front of your hairline. Don't spray only on your hairline because you want the wig cap to be able to stay, and then you want the wig to have something to grab on. You don't want it to be all on your edges. stocking cap on, you want to apply a foundation or a concealer that is the color of your scalp. So I use NARS foundation, liquid foundation in my shade, and then I use this Revlon Color Stay Powder in the color 410 Cappuccino. The makeup, it's time to go ahead and clean your skin off to prepare for the gel and the spray to lay the wig down. So you just want to get rid of that, you know, white cast and that excess makeup that you put on. I use 91% isopropyl. You can get this at Walmart, you can get this at Target, wherever. I like to use the highest one I can find because I feel like it makes my skin like really, really clean. Okay, y'all, so now we've tinted the lace. I'm not gonna lie, I was struggling a little bit. Out the pack, it wasn't really shedding. And this wig is thick. So you want it not right on your hairline, you want it a little bit in front of your hairline. It's been about 15 minutes, so let's go ahead and take this off. See what it's looking like. I feel like I'm gonna have to add some more makeup. Ooh, child. It seems pretty darn melted to me. Look pretty darn good to me. Okay, so now we're at the point where we need to cut off this extra lace that we do not need. some baby hairs and then like parted it, you know, make the front look a little bit more nice. I think I like it a little bit more now. I'm not in love with it, but I like it and I think it looks cute. I think it looks cute, I mean better in the mirror over there than it does in the camera phone right here, personally. But I don't know. What do y'all think? Just the wig, two little baby hairs right there. Overall, I think I give this wig an 8 out of 10. Like, it's a great wig. I think it's beginner friendly, it's big head friendly, it's very full. And for synthetic, it's not too expensive. It was $56. I just think personally for me, I don't like the shade of the hair with my skin tone really. But there's nothing that has to do with the company. That's my own personal opinion. But as just talking about the company and the hair itself, I think it's wonderful. It doesn't shed too much. It's easy to work with. It's full. It doesn't tangle. I could easily run my hands through this. Like, it feels human. Like, it's thick. I think it's really cute. I think if I had some lashes, I might add some wow factor too. But I didn't have time to do all that. But yeah, that's the end of my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching my video, and tune in for my next video. I don't have a video scheduled yet, but I will have one sooner or later. So stay tuned for my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good night.